We'll guide you through how to restore WhatsApp chats on an iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason, you may want to go and restore your WhatsApp to a backup. So to go and do that, you actually need to go and delete the WhatsApp app. So I'm going to go and delete it like so. And then all you need to do is hold your finger down on it, press remove app, and then delete app. So you've now gone and deleted it. Now go and open up the App Store and go and search for WhatsApp. Here it is here, go and click on the download button again and it will then go and begin. After it's finished, you can then go and click on open like so, and we'll need to go through the setup process again. So make sure you agree and read the privacy policy and terms of service. I already have. And then what you'll need to do is go and enter in your phone number. After you've entered in your phone number, you then get taken to this screen here. It says restore your chat history from iCloud. You'll not be able to go and restore later if you decline to restore now. If you wish to restore it later, you'll need to go and delete the app again and then go and download it again and go through the setup process. So then what we can do is click on restore in the top right or down at the bottom here. You'll then go and download the backup and it'll then go and sort of set it up again on WhatsApp. This may take a bit longer for you because I've only got a few chats, so just be patient. As you can see for me, it was 67 messages. I'll then press next in the top right and you can then go and choose your name. Then you can press done and it may take a few more seconds. And now here we are back on WhatsApp and all of the chats were restored from the last backup. It's that simple. If you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Have an awesome day.